You gonna bring those to mommy? Yeah. Good job. Oh, you'll have to get down and get them. Good job, buddy. Where are you going with the magnets? Can you look at mommy? Oh. Are you gonna bend down and get them? Good job, buddy. Can you stand back up?